Hello, people. Do you still turn off sleep, restart your system the old-fashioned way? Come on, this is the 21st century. Now, I'm going to teach you some shortcuts on how to turn off your system, sleep your system, and even restart your system. Let's go. Do you start your system this way? You press your Windows button with your mouse, press your power button, then go to shutdown. Do you still do that? Come on, that's outdated. So I'm going to show you this method now. Let's go. For the first one, to shut down your system, all you need to do is press your Windows button simultaneously with the X key, the X. Then press your U and U. So you're pressing U twice. That's for shutdown. That was very simple, right? Okay, now let's see how to restart our system. Now, to restart your system, all you need to do is simultaneously press your Windows button with your X button. Then press your U, and then this time your R. Your system will restart at once. Now, finally, to sleep your system, this time you press your Windows button simultaneously with your X button, then your U, and finally the X. Okay, so that's how to sleep, how to restart, and how to shut down your computer system using the shortcuts. I hope this video was helpful. All right, so for those of you that are just visiting our channel for the first time, please show some love by hitting the subscribe button, like, share, and comment on this video. And I'll see you in the next class. Cheers.